Today, we are sharing the most incredible side hustle, and you are going to love the outcomes of it. Imagine making six figures in less than a week. And here's the kicker. It requires zero investment, making it entirely risk-free. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So are you interested in generating a passive income stream that keeps flowing without much effort on your part? Picture this. You create a low-content book, list it on Amazon Kindle, and your job is done. The money just keeps rolling in. It's been reported that people are raking in thousands of dollars each week doing just that. So stick around because we're going to dive deep into all the details. So, to start selling low-content books, you'll need to master these 7 crucial steps, and each one plays a pivotal role. The majority of the heavy lifting can be done with a nifty tool called BookBolt Studio. It's user-friendly, and you can create a book in less than 10 minutes. So let's kick things off with step number 1. Finding what's selling on Amazon. To get started, sign up for BookBolt Studio. You need to sign up for the free trial. The free trial lasts for 3 days, but you can create an account on different emails to make books whenever you want to for free. When you log in, you're going to quickly do a search to see what type of books are selling on Amazon right now, because we know that's important. We don't want to put a book out there that people aren't really looking for. Next up, you need to head to the Cloud Gear, and as it's September, we're about to start going into the school year. One thing that people might be looking up for now is planners. That's what you're going to check out to see what type of planners are doing well right now. You're quickly scanning through here to see what you can find. And right here, you spot a homeschool planner. It's getting 420 monthly sales right now. So that seems like a pretty good book. You have to analyze how the planner looks, its design, and its layout. Remember to consider seasonal trends and niches when choosing your book topic. Now you need to create a similar planner to start creating. You're going to hit that create button and go to BookBolt Studio. Right now, you're in a new project. The first thing you have to do is name the project. Select trim size, add page count, and get started. Now start creating the cover page. You'll move that out of the way and head over to the picture tab. That's where you can find all the photos. You'll go to Pixabay. And one thing that works a lot with these types of books lately is patterns. You'll type in pattern and scan to see what kind of patterns they have. This is one that catches your eye, and you'll select it. You'll have to reach it a bit to adjust it to the length of the cover page. From here, you'll add a shape to write your words on top of it and make them stand out. Then, you'll go to the text tab, grab a couple of headings, and play around with different fonts to make it pop. Just get into the things that you love and make something creative and distinctive, which is appealing. Consider using vibrant colors and eye-catching fonts to make your cover page visually appealing. A well-designed cover can significantly impact a potential buyer's decision. One buzzword that's going on right now is productivity, so you'll add productivity notebook under there to catch more people's attention. And that's it, the cover page is done. And you'll now move on to the interior, clicking on page 1. You need to add a monthly to-do list, so you'll go to the template tab and type in month. You'll choose a template and add it to page 1. Now it's time to add the lesson planning part. You'll go back to the template, type in lesson, and select a suitable template. After that, the book is practically done. When designing the interior, think about the usability of your book. Make sure the templates you choose are user-friendly and cater to the needs of your target audience, whether it's students, professionals, or anyone else. Before moving on how to list the book on Amazon and make dollars, I'd like to ask you, isn't this process nice, simple, and easy? If it is, now what you gotta do is invite your friends to comment below and share their thoughts on whether it looks beginner-friendly or not. And also share this video as much as you can so the person stuck at home struggling for a job can find it. Back to the process. Now, the book is entirely done. The next step is to save the file. Go to download and download the current project. It's in CMK because it's going to be a printed book. So far, everything is done. And now you need to head over to Amazon KDP. Kindle Direct Publishing is Amazon.com's ebook publishing platform. The platform allows authors and publishers to publish their books in the Amazon Kindle store. Here, you'll be able to upload the book so it can be listed on Amazon for sale. Using Amazon KDP is free, and you're making a new account to keep things separate and test this as a beginner. Ensure that you proofread your book thoroughly and check the formatting to ensure it looks professional. A polished product is more likely to attract buyers. At Amazon Kindle, you will need to create a free account. On the front page, you'll click Create because there are no books yet. You're going for paperback, and you'll add the title and subtitle. Log into your account and enter the paperback details here. Remember to use keywords and categories that will help your book get found. You'll upload the book and carefully check how it looks on Amazon. When selecting keywords and categories, think about what terms potential buyers might use when searching for a book like yours. Here, BookBolt Studio can come in handy too, as it will give access to a wide range of potential keywords. This will improve the visibility of your book on Amazon. After putting in the keywords and other details, now you will move on to the paperback content section. Here you will need to set a publication date, set the size, and upload your book. Lastly, you will save your progress and continue to the rights and price section. You'll pick a price, and Amazon will let you know how much you'll earn after their fees. When you're finally done with the pricing, click on Publish. You're keeping it simple for now, not running any ads, and letting Amazon do its magic. If you're curious to see what happens, just wait a week, and you'll return to share the results in our comments section. And if you're already aware of this process, please tell us how your progress has been. You may also price your book competitively. Research similar books in your niche to determine an appropriate price point. Just let the process be natural and be patient with the output. And once your books start selling, they will never stop, and you'll make a money stream out of it. This process does take trial and error, but with hard work and determination, you will find success. You can see the results of our tests on this side hustle. We made 0 sales on a few, and moved thousands of dollars worth of sales on many other books. We have repeated this process on and on again to find the perfect results. Selling your books is Amazon's job. Yours is to create the perfect book. There are many people sharing their results with us, already showing us how they managed to make 6 figures repeating this simple process. So stay committed to the process, continuously refine your approach, and success will follow. That's all for today, guys. We hope that someone out of you will benefit from this video. If you liked today's video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing money-making useful ways like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.